Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with a highly requested video. I swear y'all been asking me over and over again on Instagram. So here I am curling my dirty straight hair. It's been straight for about, I'll say a month now. And as you can see by this little crinkly corner, it's time to wash my hair. But I had to do this video first. Now to curl my hair, I'll let this curling iron introduce itself. Yeah, this thing has a lot of little functions, makes a lot of little sounds, and I burned my fingertips trying to show you all the light up touch pad / touch screen. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I just know that it doesn't have any actual buttons to push. It's all touch controlled. Now I know I said it's been about a month since I straightened my hair. It's actually only been 3 weeks, but my hair has been shedding like crazy this entire time. This is kind of the reason why I don't like wearing my hair straight that often, because it's so much easier for the shed hairs to come out, and I have a lot of hair. It's long and it just gets all over the place. But anyways, before I curl my hair, of course I'm going to be using my Thermal Wonder heat protectant. I absolutely love this stuff. It protects your hair up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just smells really good too. Oh, and it makes my hair nice and shiny. Now, as far as what temperature I'm curling my hair at, I decided to go with the number 6 setting. That's about 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and that felt hot. Y'all, this curling iron does not play. Now, when I curl my hair, I always like to curl my hair away from my face, because curling towards my face just, no thank you. And it can get a little confusing, especially when you're trying to record a video for YouTube. When I'm not in front of my bathroom mirror, doing my hair sometimes can be just difficult, and I forget, like, what did I do last time? How do I usually do this? So this is my struggle right now, trying to remember how to roll these little curls up so that I can pin them. The best advice I can give you guys is to just let the hair kind of tell you. It'll fall naturally. It'll curl up into itself the way it wants to curl up into itself. So don't try and overthink it. Just kind of put your fingers in there and let it do its own thing. And then of course, to keep the curl in place, I use jumbo bobby pins. Now, while I curl the rest of my hair, I just want to give you guys a few more details on this curling iron. It is the T3 Curl ID Smart Curling Iron. Now, T3 did send this curling iron to me to try, so thank you so much, T3, because I absolutely love this curling iron. It's a ceramic curling iron. I love ceramic materials for hot tools because ceramic heats evenly, and that's super important when using hot tools for your hair. You want to make sure that there are going to be no hot spots. Your hair is going to straighten or curl on the first try, because you don't want to keep doing pass after pass over your hair. That causes heat damage and can ruin your curls. What I also thought was cool about this curling iron is that you can literally set it to your hair texture, whether or not you have chemically treated hair. So it has like a kind of 1, 2, 3 fine, medium, coarse texture setting, and I didn't really pay too much attention to the chemically treated part because I don't have any chemicals in my hair, but I thought that was really cool because tools that are not high quality can create hot spots and just, damage your hair. And I feel like this is one of those tools that people who really care about the health of their hair can confidently use and not have to worry about whether their curls or just their hair in general will be damaged. I also just loved how this curling iron worked with my hair overall. There was enough tension in the springs to keep my hair locked into the barrel, locked in place within the barrel. I've used curling irons before where my hair just kind of slips out, and that's really frustrating. You don't have to worry about sticking your fingers onto a hot tool trying to just keep your hair in place. And it just felt like my hair was not being snagged. The ceramic plates or barrel just created a nice smooth surface for my hair to glide across the curling iron. The only real con that I have for this curling iron is the price. It's $235. It's a lot of money. That's more than I think I've spent on a flat iron. So, I mean, if you want to splurge and treat yourself to something really special, then know that you will definitely be getting a quality tool. Oh, and the other thing was, it's a little bit high tech, Luckily, there's a manual function because I was just like, okay, can we just plug this thing in and get going? You're definitely going to need to read the instructions, so there's that. But that's just my personal con. I just like to just get in there and go and be done. All right, I'm finally finished curling my hair, and as you can see, this does not have to be a perfect job. As long as you get those curls pinned while they're hot, you're good to go. And just make sure that you have the pins securely pinned to your scalp or hair, whatever feels comfortable. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And I would definitely suggest tying some sort of satin or silk scarf around your hair once you're done. Do not entrust that satin pillowcase alone to keep your hair in place, because the pins will get loose, the curls will start to drop, and who wants any of that? Now it's the next day, and this is what my hair looks like after having slept on it for just one night. You see, I have this scarf on and my curls were already trying to come loose, but the scarf held everything in place. And once I had all the pins out of my hair, I immediately realized that that little crinkly corner of my head is still very crinkly. But instead of taking more heat to it, like getting the flat iron or the curling iron again, I just did the side part, which I like to do anyway. There was definitely a time where the Virgo perfectionism in me would have taken more heat to my edges and my roots in the front to make everything look nice and neat, but it's just really not necessary. And I honestly like that there's a little bit going on under there, because it just adds more volume to my overall look. So in the end, I feel like it's a win-win situation. Yeah guys, this is the finished look. If anyone's curious about a nighttime routine, I simply just pin my hair again like how I did it the first go round. 5 pins on each side, 10 total. It'll give me the same look every time, even without the heat. Just don't skip a day of pinning after you've curled it the one time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.